Yes, welcome to my channel, Caterpillar Junhang at your service. So, we have here engine of 950 shower ACM. So, this engine is already overhauled. See, C7. Yeah. So, I'm going to share about the information, all the sensor attached with this engine. Okay, as we can see, this is the intake booster sensor. So this sensor, it is producing or sensing the intake pressure that came from the turbo. Okay, temperature sensor, so sensing the temperature that intake, air intake. Okay, and then this is the actuation sensor. Makikita niyo yan. Yan. Actuation sensor. Without this sensor, this engine will not sense the high pressure oil pressure. That is a HEU pump. HEU pump. Yan yung pump na yan. Ito yung high pressure pump. So without this, the engine will not run. All the sensor attached with this engine, it is only very important. Exactly. And if you can see this sensor, sometimes when you remove the bracket, the sensor sometimes it's become removed also on the bracket. So do not mistake or do not try to fix it or wrong position. See, center, it must be on the upper side, and the other one, it is not on the center guide, so that is must be on the lower side. Okay, and the other one is oil pressure sensor. This is very important also, sensing of the engine oil pressure. Okay, and here there is a temperature sensor. Okay, this is a water temperature sensor. Under this black, okay, they have a water temperature sensor. And dynamo. Okay, this is the starter side. No any other attached sensor at this side, but the most important was install it very well. And the reading of all the sensor. Okay, again, intake manifold sensor, temperature, sensing for intake temperature, and actuator or actuation pressure sensor, HEU pump. Okay, so engine oil pressure sensor. Ayan siya. Lahat ng sensor niya naka-attach sa left side ng engine kung sa flywheel ka nakapwesto dito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, sensor niya, injector pa.